So I'm going to be putting this one on top here, and then these three are going to connect underneath here. Okay. Normally what I do, I have a mirror like this. It's metal all the way around, and so I actually stick the lash on top of the mirror. And that makes it easier because as soon as I pull as soon as I put the piece up here, I can just grab my lash right from the mirror and just stick it right on. So I am prepping my mirror. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this looking into the camera, but I'm going to try. I might not have to use the mirror. Okay. Now you take the bottom piece that has the magnet out. That's the one you're going to want to start with. And it did not stick because I'm trying to do this with a camera and not a mirror. Okay, hold on. I might have to look in the mirror for a second here. Okay. See? It's stuck. And then the next piece is the middle piece, where the magnet is right in the middle. That one's easier to get on. And the last one, the magnet, is right on the outside there. So it's easier because then you can grab it, pin it as far back as you need to, and then stick. And voila, we have a perfect application.